Alright guys, we're back in action. Crypto Trader of the Day, Thursday today. I want to talk about Solana. We decided to take action here. Not the best location and also not the best setup, I have to say. Which is why we kind of have a small size position right now. Just 25K. But I'm ready to double down on it if it will start to, to come off a little bit. I see a potential for price action to come back and test 166.73. That's the level that was broken. That was the official trigger for us. Obviously, we got in late to the game. But again, if price action will come back and try to retest 166, I'm basically gonna double down on it. But I'm not sure that's gonna be the case, right? So we'll see. Basically, we're expecting price action to continue on this upside trajectory all the way up to 186.21 and touch base. That's a big key level resistance, 186.21. Let me show you where it's coming from. This is the monthly chart. So price action came from the very bottom of the range. And as you can see, it was able to touch slightly touch down on 186 back in May, but just swiftly. Just a quick touch and massive pullback, right? So I feel like it wants to come back and solidify that touchdown with 186, because after that slight touch, it went down to, again, slightly touched 133.21, right? So I feel like now it's on its way to that 186. This time, it's going to solidify that touchdown. It's going to break through and start trading in that upper section area of that range, right? So I feel like we're on our way to 186.21. Like I said, not the best setup, but we're willing to, to deep in and see if we can catch the rest of the move. After all, we're not even halfway through, right? 186 is kind of far away still. I want to show you the short-term situation because we are looking at the 4-hour chart to get more confirmation, more confidence, if you will. Like you can see right now, price action has been facing some adversity on the short-term perspective with this short-term local resistance at 177.69. So I want to see here two things. I want to see price action pulling back like it does right now, right? You can see it's pulling back because there's 174.25 here, another local key support. So if that level is going to hold, we're going to see price action coming back to for a second attempt on 177.69. Once it starts to cross over, we're going to be tripling up our position size, right? Basically firing off another trade, maybe even two before price action starts to close in on 186.21, our official target. But let me present a second scenario. A second scenario, price action is going to be actually successful, breaking below 174.25, and it will go down to 170.41 and potentially take the previous local low at 168.70. So I see a situation where it would want to come and visit the lower section of this local trading range, right? And if it does enter that area of 169 to 167, that's going to be a good location to double down on the Solana. So that's pretty much the game plan for now. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, you can see price action is definitely reacting to that 174.25 from above. That level might hold and push price action back upwards. So yeah, interesting stuff, no doubt. Like I said at the beginning, not the best setup for us, not the ideal situation, but good enough to participate. So here we are, taking the Solana for a bit of a run all the way up to 186.20. Stop loss level is 160.50. We're keeping it in healthy distance, or as you can see, just because we expect a move down to potentially 167. So we want to keep some a buffer zone below 167 in case it's going to be a spiky action here. All right, guys, that's about that for this one. Crypto trade of the day, Solana. We're not done yet. We still have one more asset to talk about. So stay tuned for the next video. Take care.